You guys know what that means, right? Back under the hood of my 335i. Was going to do a starter motor. We did a battery already because we thought the battery was getting low, right? Battery's about 4 years old. Turned out not to be the battery. Started digging around. It really didn't seem like a starter. It was kind of intermittent here and there. So I started taking off all that stuff to get to the intake, to pull the intake, to get to the starter. And as I'm over here, that's not good because that's not supposed to be like that. So that's the battery cable that goes to the starter. There's the terminal for it. There's where it was coming apart inside. So this goes right there, right? That goes inside there. We had about, this car's got about 130, not even 130,000 miles on it. But obviously for some reason it corroded in there and just came apart. So might want to check that terminal or your battery cable before you condemn a starter, because I had one on order. I probably won't put it in now. I'll probably just go over, grab another terminal and a crimper, put it on, see if it starts then. If it starts, I'm just going to leave it alone. If it doesn't start, then we'll be finishing up and going after the starter. But I did notice a very small coolant leak in there, just starting. And as you guys remember, we just did the muscle man right here. So I had this off, and obviously I didn't get a good seal. So something didn't get clean enough, and I'm gonna have to redo that, which takes pulling the intake again. So I'm gonna kick it around. We'll see, because I think it needs a coil. So maybe one weekend I'll just do coils. Well, it's probably close on plugs, so I'll probably do coils, plugs, and a couple other things. I'm also gonna do a voltage regulator in this alternator, which I'll do a video about that, because there's really nothing wrong that wears out on these Denso alternators, so except for the brushes and maybe the bearings, and that's a cheap rebuild. Instead of at the dealer, that's an $1,100 alternator right there. All right, stay tuned, subscribe, like it, don't like it, whatever. Have a good weekend, guys. Stay tuned. Bye.